Oh, y'all, the gnats are back. And it's a windy day, and they're still trying to attack us out here as we do a little bit of talking. But as I was on my little hiatus from the garden for a little bit, I've been trying to do something new. It's called Forex, where hopefully if I learn how to trade, I will be able to trade in the morning. Oh, there go the trade. To trade in the mornings and in the afternoon trade, and in the meantime, in the middle of the day, I can be working on my garden, making sure everything's okay out here. But I will keep y'all updated on that Forex trading. It's not my first time. I've been doing it for about a year or so, but it's starting to stick now, so it's a little bit better than it was a couple of months ago. I'm getting better at it, but it's called Forex trading, where we trade currency. But just letting you know, I'm trying to be that, I guess, Forex Farmer. That might be my new name, my new tagline name. But we'll see. I'll let y'all know a little bit more about that in the upcoming videos. But yes, that's what I was doing. Forex, and thinking about my farm and what we're going to be doing this upcoming season. But the next few days, we're going to dish this up and start planning. Have a good day, y'all.